Well, all of us want to feel younger without having to go under the knife. There's a new alternative out there. It's a non-surgical facelift. No anesthesia, no knives, no downtime. But does it work? We found out in today's Healthline 3.
I'm in here every day trying to figure out something, to keep the youth.
You might not recognize this Las Vegas entertainer, so let me help you out.
Please welcome the star of our show as Joan Rivers, Frank Marino!
That's right, this is Frank Marino, whose livelihood depends on him looking his best.
I've done a lot of plastic surgery. I've had cheek implants and a chin implant, and I've done laser under my eyes. I've had Botox, but I never did anything really age-altering, so I was asking if I should maybe try to do a facelift.
Rather than something so drastic, Dr. Goesel Anson suggested a new procedure called Thermocool.
It uses radio waves, high-frequency radio waves, to target the collagen in the deeper layer of the skin. So it's not very superficial like a light chemical peel will be. It goes a little bit deeper, and it causes that collagen to heat up a little bit, which remodels the collagen.
First, a removable grid is printed on Frank's face to help ensure an even treatment.
I don't want one side looking 25 and the other one looking 40.
Exactly.
Once the grid is done, inch by inch, the Thermocool device zaps Frank's skin.
First it cools the superficial layer of the skin, then it heats the deeper tissue, and then it cools the upper tissue again so that the heat doesn't escape to the superficial layers and cause any blistering.
The heat causes the collagen to tighten.
It feels like if you put your finger, I guess, on a hot plate, and it eventually gets hotter and hotter until your reflex wants to jump. But at that point, the 5 seconds is done, and then it's removed, so it's really not bad.
Take a look at these before and after pictures provided by the manufacturer of Thermocool. The eyebrows appear higher.
It's looking quite good. It's not dramatic. It's not a replacement for a facelift. And I think they oversold it a little bit on Oprah, I'm afraid, because I don't want people to think that it's a replacement for facelift. It is not.
But it is a great new tool Frank hopes will keep him strutting his stuff on stage for years to come.
If this works, I think it's going to be the best thing for every woman out there that wants to change their image a little bit.
All right, I shot this story with Frank 2 weeks ago. He says he's already seeing subtle changes, but it will take 3 to 4 months to see the full results. And if people want to see how Frank looks now, a few weeks after the procedure, he's going to be on the show later this week, right?
Right. He's going to be coming on the show on Thursday and to show off his new look, so it'll be interesting. I'm going to have to look very, very closely. Thermocool is FDA approved for use on the forehead. Doing the rest of the face is an off-label use of the product. It costs about $2,000 for the entire face. Dr. Anson says it's perfect for younger patients looking to stop early aging.